start new chapter, work measurement and its techniques. So regarding this, first of all we will see what is mean by work measurement and what is mean by work measurement. The work measurement is connected with the determination of amount of time required to perform a unit of work. डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू परफॉर्म, और जो काम दिया है वो कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज वर्क मेजरमेंट. वर्क मेजरमेंट प्रोवाइड्स बेसिस फॉर प्रॉपर प्लानिंग, क्योंकि आपको कुछ आगे प्लान करना है कि भाई कितने क्वांटिटी बन सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते, कितना कोटेशन देना है, क्या करना है, उसके हिसाब से वर्क मेजरमेंट जो प्रॉपर प्लानिंग के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. इट इज़ कंसर्न विथ द मेजरमेंट ऑफ टाइम, सो इट मे बी आल्सो कॉल्ड एज टाइम स्टडी. वर्क मेजरमेंट को हम लोग वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल इज एट ए टाइम स्टडी भी. द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ टेक्निक डिज़ाइन टू एस्टेब्लिश द टाइम फॉर क्वालिफाइड वर्कर टू कैरी आउट ए स्पेसिफाइड जॉब at a defined level of performance. The art of observing and recording the time required to do each detail element of an industrial operation. ये दो definition हो सकते हैं. Application of techniques designed to establish the time for a qualified worker to carry out a specified job at a defined level. जो अपने को जो क्वालिटी मेंटेन करना है, जो क्वालिटी लाने के लिए एक आधा जॉब कंप्लीट करने के लिए क्वालिफाइड वर्कर जो है उसको कितना टाइम लगता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज वर्क मेजरमेंट. क्योंकि वर्क मेजरमेंट तो हर एक का अलग अलग हो सकता है, क्योंकि आज नॉन क्वालिफाइड पर्सन है, नया फ्रेश है, उसके लिए अलग लगने वाला है. लेकिन जो कुछ क्वालिफाइड वर्कर बोले तो उसकी लेवल अच्छी है, कुछ लेवल के बाद जो है उसने कुछ काम करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगने वाला है, और जो क्वालिटी हम लोगों ने डिसाइड की है वो लाने के लिए कितना लगने वाला है, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, work measurement. To compare the times of performance by alternative methods, to enable realistic schedule of work to be prepared, to arrive at a realistic and fair incentive scheme, to analyze the activities for doing a job with view to reduce or eliminate unnecessary job, to minimize the human effort, to assist the in organization of labor by daily comparing the actual time with that of target time. Work measurement is used in planning work, in drawing out schedules. Work measurement is used to determine standard cost. Work measurement is used as an aid in preparing budgets. It is used for in balancing production lines for new products. Work measurement is used in determining the machine effectiveness. These are the applications of work measurement. To determine the time standard to be used as a basis for labor cost control, to establish supervisory objectives, and to provide a basis of measuring a supervisory efficiency. To determine time standards to be used for providing a basis of wage incentive plan. Techniques for work measurement. For the purpose of work measurement, work can be regarded as repetitive work and non-repetitive work. What is meant by repetitive? The work or type of work in which the main operation of the group of operations repeat continuously during the time spent at the job. These apply the work cycles for extremely short durations. And non-repetitive work, it includes some type of maintenance and construction work where the work cycle itself is hardly ever repeated identically. These are the some techniques is there. The figure it is shown. Work measurement methods. One is historical data, time study, work sampling, synthesis method, predetermined motion time study, and analytic estimation. Basically, we are concerning with work sampling, predetermined PMTS, and analytical estimating. Time study, we are going to for the first three one. Just only for fifth and fourth and fifth we are not going to much detail, but for first three we are going in details. Again, work measurement techniques, estimation is there, swag and historical data, then direct observation and measurement, time study and work sampling, predetermined time systems, MODAPs, MOST, and MTM. These are the classification of work measurement techniques. Time study or and work sampling involve direct observation, and the remaining techniques are data based and analytical in nature. A work measurement technique for recording the times and rates of working for the elements of specified job carried out under specified condition for analyzing the data. So analyze so as to determine the time necessary for carrying out the job at defined level of performance. In other words, measuring the time through stopwatch is called as time study. कैसे वर्क मेजरमेंट टेक्निक रिकॉर्डिंग द टाइम्स एंड रेट्स of working for the elements of specified job under specific condition and for analyzing the data so as to determine time necessary to carry out the job at defined level of performance. Work sampling, it is a technique in which a large number of observations are made over a period of time or one or group of machines, processes, or workers. Each observation records what is happening at that instant, and the percentage of observations recorded for a particular activity or delay is a measure of the percentage of time during which that activity's delay occurs. Synthetic data, the work measurement technique for building up the time for a job or spans of the jobs at a defined level of performance by totaling element times obtained previously from time studies and other jobs containing the elements concerned or synthetic data. And predetermined motions time study, PMTS, a work measurement technique whereby times established of for human motions classified according to the nature and condition under which it is made are used to build up the time for a job at defined level of performance. The most commonly used PMTS is known as methods time measurement, that is MTM. Most is there, but most commonly used is methods time measurement. Analytic estimating work measurement technique is for being a development of estimating whereby the time required to carry out elements of a job at defined level of performance is estimated partly from the knowledge and practical experience of the elements concerned and partly from synthetic data. And their applications: time study, short cycle repetitive jobs widely used in direct work; synthetic data, short cycle repetitive jobs; work sampling, long cycle jobs, heterogeneous operations; MTM, manual operations confined to one work center; and analytic estimation, short cycle non repetitive jobs. These are the techniques we have seen. Work measurement, what is mean by work measurement, and what are the different techniques that we have seen. Now in tomorrow's lecture we will go for the work sampling. My PPT is ready in VOLP. You can go through it, and if any problem you can contact me. Thank you.